3 points. Man, 3, 5-2. Oh, wow. Hey, stolen number 25. Number 25 on the left side. Giving go to number 6. Number 6, 20 on the glass. 7-2. Balanay, Mr. Top Shelby. Palomar is there. Oh, Ronda. No good pa rin. Uy, number 25. 25. Hey, Ali is there. To Palomar. Oy, wala pa rin. Number 6 to number 25. Wala. Jong, Pangilinan, Mr. Kid Golapu, up in order, scores, 4-7. Jel Bolingo, 3-point play, Pangasinan on the move once again, trying to create, what a play by Pangasinan to Fronda. 6-7. Waswin. Number 13. No good. Yes, sir. Number 16, pull up J. Yes, sir. What a move by Pangasinan. Number 13, Ins, 11-8. Oh, wow. Hey, Palomar. Number 16, yes, sir. Number 6 on the left side to number 25. Lopas nasusot. Same ball. Good yan, pare. He got it to number 10. Giving him a pass. So good. Palomar is there. Palomar. To right to left. To both. Foul. 2 points. 12-11. Stolen ulit ni Popao. Popao lays out. Jump is there. Change score. Eleven, 14. Labang ang depensa ng tatlong mga kapatid. Number 25 to number 6. To number 10, number 10. To number 20. Pasa na pala to number 30. Wow, what a play. 13-14. Pangasinan stops. Nakita ang Kamaradi. No good. To number 3, Palomar. Lapas kay LA. LA. Inside. No good to Palomar. What a play. 16-13. Pangasinan for the rebound. Pangasinan on the move. To Popao. Popao putting himself in the 3. Man, 3. 19-30. Nothing back on it. Number 6 crossover. Hey, creates a foul. Side ball. Score natin. 13-19. Number 10 to number 25. 25 to 25. Ay! So good. Number 30. 15, 19. Popao inside to Palomar to LA. No good. Ayan. Number 25 on the move. 25. Top floor to number 6. 17-19. Last 4 minutes in the game. BR Palomar goes over. My goodness, Oi. Trying to create. Open. LA is there. LA wants speed. Tries to control the win team. Pass to Popao. Popao on the 3-point paint. Nahuli. Number 35 to number 6. Number 6. Fast break transition to number 13. Power move. What a play by number 13. Putting team para sa online team. Makakashoot mo si Palomar. Oy. No good. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds in the game. Number 16, inside. No good. Front line there. Trying to create. Wala. Number 13 once again to number 25. Number 25 points. Change favor. 21-19. Jaw. Oy. Huli. Number 13. Number 38, 28. What a ball manipulation by number 13. Number 16 to Palomar. Palomar. Balasina, wala. Number 10. Number 25. Number 25. Cross. Misses the right hand. To number 14. Number 14. To Pierre Palomar. Pierre Palomar inside, no good. Number 6 to number 25, wide open. No good. Popao sa bola. Pangalinan for 3. Their spot. No good, pare. Last 2 minutes in the game. Lamang ng 4. Ang opensa. Lapasa na pasa naman doon. 25-19. What a play by number 6 to number 25. Pangilinan, oy! Back-to-back steals. What a play by number 6. Ayos. Big Bagasina to Pierre Palomar. Wala talaga. May pangit. Number 25. Tries once again, in and out to number 6. Popao. Popao, lapas kay Pierre Palomar. Too strong. Number 25, 3. Rebound. To LA. Sniper on. No good. Last 1 minute. 27-19. Number 25 to number 30 and 1. What a bouncy player. 29-19. Calapinas. In and out. Labas. Popao. Yes, sir. 21-29. Regardless. Ay. 3. Ayun. Sayang na ito. Last 15 seconds. Pare. B2B. Pull up. Yun. 23-29. Last 5 seconds. Lay.